My name is Amy Eisenhut, and I'm a feeder, and I've been here for 8 years. I have to do the paperwork for every machine and make sure the people that are running the machines have their wires that they need to build the frames that we do. We're producing backseat frames for cars, Toyota, Civic, Honda. You should work at JR because you're a team and they treat you like a family. We're not an I this, I that. We are a team. We work together, we communicate very well, and when there's somebody in need, that everybody's there to help. JR does not only take care of me, but they also take care of my family. They treat you like a person. So if you've got a problem, a family problem, they are definitely willing to work with you, and that is nice. You don't see that in a whole lot of companies at all. If you're looking for a great place to work, go to jrmanufacturing.net.